Carrabba's does it good, but I'm gonna do it better. Chicken Linguine Positano. This are the things that dreams are made of.
Aye, Carrabba.
Oh man,
Yeah.
that was good. Hey guys, welcome to the set. I am CJ. This is CJ's first cooking show. Right over there's Nate.
Hey.
Right over there's Ethan. Today I'm gonna show you guys a fun Italian dish that I love to order whenever my family orders Carrabba's.
Yeah.
Like we get Uber Eats and they get delivered.
I've never done Uber Eats.
We do it like 3 times a week.
Yeah?
It's embarrassing
Nice.
how much. But today I'm gonna show you how to do it, but better. It's simple.
We'll see.
It's
I don't have
tasty.
anything to compare it to. Ethan,
filling.
have you had it?
I don't even know what we're making.
Okay.
Glad that he's up on the set. The beauty of this dish is how simple, how easy, how quick it can be to make this bad boy.
Yeah.
Just a couple ingredients, and the first being your chicken. You could
Pollo.
use...
Oh wait, it's Italian.
No.
Italian.
I speak the most Italian, so.
Yeah, so then what is that, Nate? Huh?
It-
Wow.
Hey.
Is that it?
That ain't it.
We're gonna season with some olive oil, some kosher salt, a little bit of coarse black pepper, and then of course we're gonna hit this with a nice layer of tutto italiano. This is gonna give us a wicked flavor, but also a nice crust.
Look at those beautiful granules. I like this
I
seasoning.
know it,
It's a
I
good
know. I love Mozart.
Okay.
What is he says he's Austrian, you know? It's a great movie. If either one of you could tell me what movie that is,
Sing.
I will give you $10 right now.
Sing?
You are 100% way off. Ethan?
Dang.
Sing 2?
I'm gonna give you $5 just because I was clever. I'll tell you in just a moment. Right behind me though, got my Blackstone set at a nice high temperature, but I'm gonna drop it now. Down to medium. I wanted it to get real nice and toasty right before we put this in. And then we're gonna let it start to cook, my friends.
Pretty big
The
piece of
movie.
meat.
The Professional.
I love Mozart.
Oh wow! I don't
Yeah,
think your
Gary
impersonation was
Oldman,
on.
one of his best roles.
I like these calm little moments before the storm.
He's Natalie Portman, top
It was her first
3
movie though, right?
best. That was her first movie. Yep.
I knew that one.
We're gonna cook some chicken and we will be right back. Blah freaking blah. Now if it's a chicken cutlet, you don't have to do much flipping, but in this occasion we are using a full-size chicken breast. And I like to flip every few minutes just to get a consistent cook on the interior,
And that
as
crust.
well as keeping a good crust on the exterior. But while we're waiting, I thought this is a great opportunity.
Yeah.
Let's honor those who have come before us,
You
or
ring it-
coming with us. We're ringing in the new crew.
Yeah.
It's time to do it. So here's wait. It's just the rules.
Oh.
The bell rings. All right, here we go. So we've got Brian Flint 6668.
Have fun being married to Satan!
New to the show. Move along, kid. We've also got Chester Coburn.
Bennington.
Yes, 7708. First time seeing the channel from Illinois.
Hey.
JTZR1, awesome video. Found the channel from Indiana Trail, North Carolina. Favorite movie, Blazing Saddles.
Wow. Nice one.
Good answer. Then we've got Julie Gorman 9841 from Prescott Valley, Arizona. Building their forever home. Can't wait to try our recipes.
Nice.
We've got Heather Dunbar 421. Came
Hey,
across our
Heather.
show a few weeks ago. She enjoys it. And that, my friends, is it at the moment.
Hello,
if
new
you
crew.
are new subscriber, new viewer, let me know. Tell me where you're from.
Howdy, partners. Let's raise and rub Broncos.
Like it?
Tell me what your favorite car is.
Car.
And then tell me what your favorite
Color.
is. Where you're from, what's your favorite car, and what your favorite color is.
Blue.
What's my favorite color?
That's quacktastic.
Chicken's cruising. You know what? I've already flipped it once. Let's have one more quick look-see to see how the crust is doing. We might.
Doing super good, dude. Look at that.
Oh yeah, let's do one more. Yep, I love it. I love what's happening here. This is another fun thing to do. We've got these little sugar
bombs.
cherry tomatoes. All right, let's go over here. You know what I'm gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
Oh, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do.
Tell me.
I'm gonna slide my chicken out of the way, and then I'm gonna cook these tomatoes in the chicken fat, in that seasoning as well. Now, that's not enough. We've got another step or two. I'm gonna add some olive oil. Now these are gonna be cooking here, and eventually they'll start to blister.
Oh yeah.
And kind of pop open, releasing their juices. That's where we want to be.
You like the juice, eh?
Got some salt and some pepper. Got my spatulas here. Kind of just want to make sure I coat everything nice and evenly.
Awesome.
Dude, this is going to be fantastic. Our chicken is still not quite done. We're probably at about the 75 to 80% done mark right now. You know what, let's just cook with the tomatoes. How about that?
Okay.
Let's let the aroma start to dance together.
They're all friendly.
I'm gonna add a light layer of Tutto Italiano to our tomatoes.
Nice. I
Yep.
love those big granules of seasoning.
Oh,
in there.
dude, it's so dang good.
It's aromatic.
All right, what's gonna happen is here in just a few moments, I'm gonna flip it one more time, then we're gonna pull it off. And we're almost done.
No.
The tomatoes
You
are gonna
have
start
two
blistering.
things.
I know, that's the beauty and the simplicity of this recipe. You'll see
You'll see.
what I'm talking about here in
All
just a
right.
moment. A lot of ringing and bring it because this is such a simple recipe. The tomatoes are starting to blister and open up. The chicken is officially done. Let's go ahead and pull this chicken. Nate, you stay right over there.
Dude,
I'm headed this way.
Oh.
Oh,
Is money.
dude, look at that. Flawless. We're gonna set this down right here. Give that a chance to rest for a moment. And now our tomatoes. Dude, something to note. Starting to see all that juice coming out?
Juice is very good, eh?
Oh yeah.
That's when we know we're there. Everything's real nice and soft. Check this out. Got a lot of bit of garlic.
a lot of bit.
Because that's another massive part of our flavor. We're gonna add a little bit more of the Tutto Italiano.
Here we go.
Toss. And then
Whoa.
start the smashing. Start the cutting. Okay. Stay there.
I'm staying.
I'm coming in. Coming in hot. I've got some cooked al dente linguine. Check this out.
I'm checking.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, you hold on.
I'm going to.
Okay.
Carrabbas, they
Aw.
just get these guys. Whoa. They
Don't worry.
just throw them in there.
Here for you.
Oh, that's a bad leaf. I'm not going to do that.
Naughty Pat, you're naughty.
Dude, you smell that?
Amazing.
Smells so good. Hold on, we're not done.
Okay.
Got 2 more things to do.
Little burr.
A little bit of
Oh, wait, it's Italian.
little bit of butter.
A little bit of butter. Half a stick.
Heart attack.
Okay, and then we've got some white wine, dude.
Whoa.
And I've also got some salt. Dude, that is gonna get... But bro, check that out. We didn't add any specific marinara, but we're starting to get all this sauce from the juices that are
Juice is good.
releasing from the tomatoes.
Big giant piece of
and
the basil's nice too.
olive oil. Oh, dude. All right. That is it right there. Let's slice up some chicken, dude.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do this. You know what? We're going to do this on the bias as well. Doesn't change anything about the flavor, but it... Oh, dude, that's perfect. The
Juicy,
thickest side right there.
gorgeous, juicy
Looks
chicken.
perfect. We're going to slice all this chicken up, and we're going to start the presentation. Now, presentation-wise, this is very, very simple. Get your chicken get your chicken sliced up the way that you want, and then we're gonna add the pasta, some of that glossy noodles and tomatoes
Glistening.
and garlic, not to mention the basil, into a bowl, and then we're gonna fan this beautiful chicken out
Gorgeous.
on top. My friends, add a little bit of Parmesan cheese if you want. If you
little bit
really
of,
want to go
parsley?
extra chefy,
Yeah.
you could add a little bit of basil, a basil leaf to make it just, hey chefy, I'm going over the top, look at me, But either way, this looks phenomenal. Simple, quick, elegant.
Little, yellow, different.
It looks amazing.
Bro, did you have any doubts?
A little bro date. No, I didn't.
Dude, it is a little bro date.
There's only 2 people on
Just
the set.
2 homies hanging out, having some fun.
Dude, well, like the tomato juice dripping down and reducing with the wine and the garlic.
And the butter. This is perfect.
That's the takeaway.
Just walk away with that.
Okay. At least you used white wine in the correct place instead of red wine.
Whatever. Better than Carrabba's. Hands down, guaranteed. Not even a contender.
I can't remember going to Carrabba's.
Bro.
Is that a hard thing to beat?
Carrabba's is good. It's steps ahead of Olive Garden, right?
I mean, like, half a step.
Yeah. Step. Much less many steps that would necessitate an entire
Stare.
stare?
You know, Wayne, if you're not careful, you're gonna lose me.
Case. Staircase?
Stairwell?
Stairwell.
Get the net!
Either way, make this. It's simple, it's easy. Let me know what you guys think. How did I do in the comments? Or no, let me know how did I do
In the comments.
in
let
the
them know
comments.
How we did.
Comment in the comments. But speaking of comments, my
There it
friends, it is official.
Amazing.
It's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
So if this is your first time to the segment of the show, wait,
The best segment.
segment for sure. This is where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers, because if you guys write it,
we read it.
That's right. And this all was birthed in a moment of panic when I was starting to cry myself to sleep at night because you were all being so mean.
Why does everyone hate me?
JK kidding. This first one comes in from Greg England.
England.
Awesome, CJ. I had fun making these tonight. Only issue I had was my corn tortillas crumbled, so I had to warm them up on the flat top before dipping in the sauce. In the end, it turned out yum. Love watching your videos. Now, here's why I did this comment. Nope, this was the Badia style, like the 5-minute Badia style tacos. Here's the thing. Our cooks don't always go perfectly. Sometimes we have to call an audible.
Sorry.
Sometimes you gotta, like, pivot.
Let's pivot. Let's pivot.
Do you? I
Yes.
mean, quick. Okay.
So, good on you for the pivot. Glad that you enjoyed it.
Me
I
too.
love that you're digging it. Greg, from old Mary England.
That was it?
Mm-hmm.
England.
Okay, this slid up in my DMs.
Did it?
This is from Teresa
That doesn't
Green.
count. Of course they're going to be complimentary in private.
No.
But in public, they don't
No.
like it.
Shh. This is my show.
Okay.
Shut up. Teresa says, "Hi CJ, my husband and I have the original 28-inch Blackstone. I wanted it so I could relive my working in a sub shop days. Anyway, we love your show and look forward to every Thursday to see what's on the menu. I love that you ring it and bring it, and we cheers with you from afar. Love Ethan's Did You Know segment too."
Speaking of Did You Know? Hey CJ, did you know? Did you know that 9 Inch Nails and David Bowie actually toured together in 1995? What? Yes. They were friends, so they were talking and Bowie was like, hey, you should bring me on your tour, because at this point, Bowie wasn't as big, 9 Inch Nails was a lot larger. Trent was like, I'm not doing that, I'm gonna open for you. So what they did is, 9 Inch Nails would play their set, and then Bowie would come out and play some songs with 9 Inch Nails, and then Bowie's band came out, and both of them played some songs together.
You know what? I'm taking away from all that. Trent Reznor, you're a much cooler dude than I thought. Not that I didn't think you were cool, but now you're like really, really cool.
Wow.
That's awesome. Also, thanks for interrupting my comment.
Yep.
Sorry, Teresa, before we ring it, she says she loved Ethan's Did You Know segment too. Nothing against Nate as a chef. I just wish he wouldn't talk so much on your show.
See what I'm talking about?
Teresa.
That's what I'm talking about.
Trent. David.
Teresa and Trent and David Bowie.
Gone too soon.
Yeah. I guess. Not about them being gone too soon.
Teresa
That
and
sounds
Trent.
horrible.
You're
Yes.
mean. This next one comes in from, the Cedar Oak Farm.
Oh, right on.
They comment all the time.
They do.
Love their comments. Thunderstorms, horizontal rains, power outages all morning.
Yep.
What comes along to save the day? CJ. So needed to enjoy something, and the recipe masters jump in with a super sandwich recipe, complete with another sauce creation
CJ
to up the
hates
game.
that.
I hate it, but I like you guys. This may become, or this may, become a staple. Had to share this right away. Cedar Oak Farms.
Right on. Love
I
you
appreciate
guys.
you guys so much.
So much.
You guys are always hanging out with us. I know for a fact you party.
Yes. And we party.
All right, this comes in from Ryan Archer 2308. Ryan says, the food looks good.
Yep, it does.
Way too many cutscenes.
Okay.
I can never make it through any of your videos. It's too annoying.
Yeah.
Ryan.
Yeah, happens.
Dude, I don't know what to tell you, bro. It's kind of like my thing.
Yeah.
I cook. And I quote.
The royal we.
You know, the editorial.
Precisely.
Ryan?
Ryan. He's probably not watching.
Yeah.
This comes in from Casamarazu-FR2ZN.
Okay.
Jeez. Nobody would call this sandwich Italian in Italy.
Well, no, they would call it whatever the word for sandwich is in Italian.
Exactly.
He's good.
Dude, like, Casamarazu.
Arrivederci.
Arrivederci. Arrivederci.
Arrivederci. Guy. Guys, I definitely don't claim to be authentic with all my cooks, but they are delicious. So there's that.
Benissimo.
All right, this comes in from Michael Bruce 488. Michael says, hey CJ, first time commenter, long time watcher. Love you guys, been sending my wife these sandwich ideas for weeks. Was trying to figure out a good eat to cook on Sunday for Shark Week start.
Nice.
You sealed the deal, buddy. Ring it and bring it.
He made one of your recipes for Shark
Michael.
Week? Whoa.
I'm sorry, I have 3 rings.
9-inch nails? I don't think so. It's just all thumbs over there, guy. Michael, pumped you're hanging with us. Glad
Me
you
too.
commented. Glad.
Why is it taking so long? Come on, man.
Glad that you finally decided to comment and also had a delicious treat for Shark Week.
Yeah.
So thank you and you're welcome.
Let's cook shark sometime soon. For Shark Week.
Oh yeah, jellyfish.
Appreciate you guys hanging out with us. Please be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and all of the things Blackstone related. Also, griddlenation.com. And if you didn't know, nah, dude. Apparently it's a party or it's
You
not a
faked me
party.
out. I went that way.
Yeah, you see what I did there?
Yeah.
But guys, this was way too simple and delicious not to try.
I agree.
Literally like 4
Fantastic.
ingredients.
So good.
Very awesome. Very fun. And in case you didn't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
I put some cheese.
This is CJ's first cooking show. Where we cook
Yeah.
and we quote.
Yeah, so
Good game.
Good game, buddy.
Oh, no. You kidding me.
Security!